They probably do.
And the safe word is run.
Hello friends, welcome to twinbrostuffs. Today we are going to see about the recent mystery which has shaken the world, which is just a 10 to 12 feet metal structure named Monolith. And at the end of the video, you will have a clear understanding about this incident and the mystery behind it. Let's get on to this video. Last month, during a routine survey of bighorn sheep in Utah's Red Rock Country, the U.S. State's Wildlife Agency discovered a 10 to 12 feet tall three-sided metal monolith at the base of a canyon. When the helicopter-borne team went down to investigate it, they found that there were no indications of how or when it appeared there or who had installed it so firmly into the canyon's rocky floor. In an official statement issued on November 23, the Utah Department for Public Safety announced that it was most likely an art installation by a new wave artist or a prank by a 2001 Space Odyssey fan. This references to the 1968 science fiction film by Stanley Kubrick, in which a massive black monolith appears among a tribe of hominids that is human ancestors and influences the course of human evolution. Here the actual mystery behind this 10 to 12 feet monolith of Utah was disappeared, but the Federal Bureau of Land Management's Utah office announced that the Red Rock Country monolith had been removed by an unknown party on November 27, with rocks left to mark the place where it had stood. Now, we see the original video footage from Utah. Then, on November 30, there were reports of a similar monolith being spotted in the Baca-Domne hill in Romania. But the surface of the Romanian monolith is covered in looping scrolls, unlike the Utah monolith. Here is the original video footage from Romania. Well, it has happened again. Another mysterious monolith has appeared atop a mountain in California. Unlike Utah's structure, the California monolith was not mounted in rocks and was reportedly a little wobbly. With this, the monolith mystery has deepened further at a time when questions remain unanswered over appearance, followed by the disappearance of metal monoliths in the Utah desert and Romania. And here is the original video footage from California. That's all for today. Stay tuned for further updates of this monolith mystery. We will meet you in another video. Like, share and subscribe for related contents. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.